Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export a data from a Google Data Studio. So I'll show you different ways. The first way is to export to a PDF, just like these ones right here. Okay? So what you need to do is come click on this down arrow next to share. Click on download report. This will download as a PDF. You can select certain pages by just toggling on the check mark on these, or just download the whole PDF with all the pages. You can also set additional options, for example, to ignore the custom background. Let me show you an example. So let's say this one has a custom background. If I toggle this one, it would ignore that. You can add a link back to the report. You can also password protect these. All you need to do is click on download, and it will prepare a PDF for you, and it will show up here in our downloads in just a moment. Now, another way is to use the snipping tool, okay, or screenshot. So usually people take screenshots of these and then they add them. So I'll copy this. They add them to their slides, right? So you just come here and paste it. Usually you just do Control V and it would go ahead and paste the screenshots, okay? You can also paste these in, Excel files, as you can see. Another way is, let's say you want a specific chart, okay? You just come here, can right click on this, and then scroll down, click on export. So we have different options. So either a CSV, okay, or Excel, Google Sheets. So let's go ahead and do Google Sheets. Let me show you an example. Click on export, and this would send the data to Google Sheets and open up one in a new tab. And then we can convert this to a chart, right? So let's wait for this to open up, and I'll show you how to do that. Of course, you can also do this for the entire thing. You can come here, click on this down arrow, click on, embed report, and you can embed this into your site, okay, or even in Google Sheets. Now, if I come back here, what I can do is highlight this and then right click. Then we can insert a chart, or you can just come here, click on insert, okay, and then click on chart. Now let's go ahead and choose a pie chart as the type. Of course, you can change it and customize as you wish. So this is what it looks like. You can customize. So this is the value, active users. The category is right here. So that's fine. And we can customize this. So if I come here to chart style, let's say I want it to look exactly like this one. So what I'll do, I'll first come here and toggle this pie chart option. Okay, let's choose the slice label. So we'll choose it to percentage. There we go. We have added that. And now let's bring these on the right hand side. So I'll come here and you can easily choose maximize. Okay, and then click on this and you are able to drag this anywhere you want. As you can see, now it looks exactly like this one. Okay, and the good thing about this one, you can actually customize it even more. You can make it look 3D, for example, right? And you can even add extra details. So to the slice label, you can add both the value and percentage, for example. And there you go. Those are the different ways. And it's really that easy and simple.